Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Jordan Master, the master of Air Jordan. Today, I'd like to introduce you the Jordan 12 Chinese New Year. This shoe is supposed to released on January 2017, so you are very lucky to see the real shoes now. Now, let me introduce you the shoes. First, let's look at the vamp of the shoe. The shoe tongue is very special with Chinese 12 on it. This one is 10 in Chinese, which means 10, and this one is 2 in Chinese, which the total is mean 12, which instead of Jordan 12. And the shoe is made up of very special 3M reactive material. Let me turn off the lights to show you. Okay. Look at the white part. Can you see that? Okay, turn the lights on, and now I'll show you the shoes. The bottom of the shoe is made of wood and with a little flat mat on it. Okay, look at the black part with weaving outer, very special, and this part is a jump man made of wood grain. Okay, look at the back of the shoe. Also a Jordan, a Flightman, and 23. The outer of the shoe with 23 Flightman, especially in red, which means very lucky in China. You can also see here is a Chinese 12 on the shoe box, and the whole box is of something like pink, very nice. Okay, the side of the box, this is size 10. Okay, for more information, welcome to our website jordanmaster.ru.cn. Thank you, goodbye.